Pretty little black skin girl. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Tita Chocolate. So today you guys will be helping me move out of my APT, my apartment. So yeah, today and tomorrow I'll be prepping to move out because I'll be moving like about Wednesday. Yeah, so I'll be packing up my stuff and returning the things that I had borrowed from the housing management and getting the room inspected to see if anything is damaged so that I can get back my money, my housing deposit and all that. Yesterday I cooked some curry chicken and some dumplings. So we are gonna start packing up like my shoes, then my clothes, then I'm going to do some laundry maybe tomorrow, and then when I do the laundry tomorrow I'm going to pack up my suitcase better. I'm going to also return the stuffs that I got when I came into this apartment, and yeah, I'm gonna pack up my food in one bag differently. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bell to be notified when a girl Tita Chocolate uploads another video. Period. Yeah, so let's go, guys. Hey guys, so this is my suitcase and a garbage bag full of some documents and all of that. So yeah, I got those together, and I did not film me packing up everything, but I got all my bags straightened out. So now I'm going to do some cleaning of the apartment.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So I did a final deep clean of the stove, the sink, and the microwave, and this is the finished look, guys.
Mama, safe to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've get from losing yesterday.
Alright, so this is the finished product. It's so beautiful and nice and clean. So after I went to the bathroom and to give it a nice little clean, all the stains you see in the bathroom, those are stains that I saw when I came here. They can't come out apparently. So I did a nice little clean, turn on the vent, and then I sprayed it out with some nice, I don't know what's it called, but it's some air conditioner thingy. It's called Fricasse or whatever. Fricasse or whatever. Yes, so nice and clean. Yeah. Turn on the pipe. What a NWC. I don't know what the water commission place here called, so I just make reference to Jamaica. But yeah, what a NWC, right there. So yeah, some of this, no, it's not fricassee, it's free breeze or whatever. Yeah, so now I'm gonna take a little rest, I'm tired. So After all of me just do all I go, make a drink something. I'm tired. We just bring out the garbage, but me never show no. I say bring out the garbage a while ago, guys, and what are the garbage drop on the ground? Me bex me. Thank God me never that video come that fling on my phone. The one of my food them pack up. I maybe go out with my friends later because seeing that I'm leaving this complex, then maybe I go on, hang out with me. And today is Emancipation Day, so happy Emancipation, Jamaica. I'm tired. But cook for me today. I forgot for showing that. But I cook and everything. So I have food. But I can pack up more of things for tomorrow morning because I'm leaving tomorrow morning. My bicycle is outside. Wonder how am I gonna transport my bicycle? I'll figure something out. Just gonna drink this Anakin. I'm gonna sweep out the room. Clear up my bed. Gonna take a shower after. Rest a little bit because I'm so tired. I'm gonna rest a little bit and then after. Okay, me say I go shower, right? I go rest after my shower and then maybe I go out later. But I'm so tired. I have work tomorrow morning. Ugh, and I have to be at work at 11 and I'm going to move out here from about 9. Yeah, so let's see how it works out. As I'm gonna wash now, and when I come up back I'm gonna sweep out the room, then I'm gonna shower and lie down. So let's go wash my 101 clothes. I need to get my AirPods replaced because I don't know what's wrong with it. And I don't want to cuss and go on bad. I don't know why it's not connecting to my phone. So, when I mean 101 clothes, I literally mean 101. I have so many unwashed clothes because I have no time. I work 7 days of the week. When I come home, it's night. So, I don't have no time for wash. So, yeah. So, let's go. Life of content creation. Tubar! They move you from sea salt. They move you from sea salt. I don't miss you, Tubar. I don't miss you. Hey guys, so I went to get some food items from the supermarket. Yes, so I restock because I'm planning on cooking some food. And you guys know I'm on this cooking journey where, I'm expressing myself through food and cuisines. Yeah. But anyways, check out and meet up my friend Ugly Giovanni. He's gonna kill me when he sees himself in this vlog. But anyways, my business. Yes, let me pack up my bag. And this is the food. So yes guys, I did Barbie fried chicken, rice and peas and raw veg because I'm missing Jamaica so much. So after I finish cook and eat, then I pack up everything, call a cab, and then now I'll see where the road takes me. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. I have a lot of more contents in store for you guys, so continue watching.